And last time we finished installing the controls to our bars, I used my boring invention. Worked out great. Then we installed the greatest clutch lever known to man, and then finished that up with soldering up these things, and you guys told me this may or may not cause a problem. If it does, we'll redo it. Thank you for those who told me that. And that brings us to the next video. Yeah, you crazy in a mug.
So we rerouted the clutch cable behind the triples like this, and it actually all worked. Sorry for the dub over. Put this on like this. I've actually put the fairings on. I've tested this all out. This will work. It looks a little odd, but it will work. The clutch lever is super easy to pull. I thought we're gonna have to be extending wires and ordering custom cables and blah blah blah, but it seems to have worked out pretty good. There's been a little bit of a development here. Moving the bike around, and you can already see this thing broke. So this thing was in about a good 1.5 inches. And I think it would have been fine, except I like sat on it to see like how it felt with the bars. It egged it out, I'm just too fat, and it broke. Fine, I got some more. I've also, as you see, I've shaved the whole thing down and cut off the little tab where the spring went, because you got to make that longer anyway. So here's the deal. I've got this new stuff here. We can make a new one with it. We'll make it better. We'll get it like up on there higher and weld it. I'm just gonna load the bike up and take it to Chris's, because I've got this. I've got everything I need to put that headlight on now. I've got these clamps, so we can build this. And we'll start working on the crazy headlight things. That's going to be a whole trip. You'll get to see what headlight I'm using. I won't be wiring it up yet in this video, but the headlight, it's kind of been in the thumbnail already. It's nuts. The bike will roll right now and run. Like, it'll run. I can get it up the ramp. I have no front brakes, so it'll be a little tricky. God, I got to get the straps ready and everything, because I normally, sorry, I'm having horrible allergies. Normally I load a bike up, I put them on Kickstand while I got everything ready. I'm going to have to get all the straps ready, and yeah, it's a little goofy without a kickstand, so.
Whenever these go bad, they look like frozen Coke cans.
What's up? What do you think of my project?
It's rad.
You never told me what you said you were going to say. So you said I'm going to pull up to the adventure riders. And what are the adventure people going to say when they see it?
They're going to say, what the is that?
I hope they're offended by it, honestly.
No, they're going to think it's the coolest thing ever.
Wait, is that a Predator 7 whatever? Anyways, so Christopher. Yes, there's many things to do. I think the first thing we should do is the kickstand, though, because then we can... Yeah,
we can set it places.
This one go in this one. The more we can, the better, probably. You're supposed to say things and fill me with confidence. Like, you're supposed to go, well, we're going to do this, and then we'll do this.
Listen, we're going to cut to fit, we're going to paint to match. The same size.
I have a kickstand, too. Those are aluminum. This is steel.
This is aluminum?
Yeah, those are aluminum.
No thing? Let's just chuck it up on the lathe and turn it down a bit.
You have a lathe?
No. I'm afraid that we get this heated up and we start feeding this in and we get it about 3/4 of an inch in.
See, I got it 1.5 inches before it stopped, and then you're done. Once it stops,
yeah,
it's not going to go.
Hey, bro. It's gonna be too short now. I put my foot behind this here.
Yeah, I got flip-flops.
You're terrible at this.
Actually, Jackson, come here. Look, there's a really simple way to do this. Just pick up on this side. It's a really easy way we can do this.
Bro, I know this looks sketchy, but I saw it myself. He had 10 fingers, 2 eyeballs. We need to go one more, which is going to be too much, but once we put the thing under it, we'll be good. It does the sliding thing.
It's on the giant piece of metal.
Like the Harleys.
Yeah.
You put a Harley down and the
oh yeah, the stand goes like
kickstand slides out like 4 feet. You're like, is this thing ever going to stop? We need to do the foopy on it, right? The foopy? On the foop. Maybe a double foop. Hi, I don't know who you are. How you doing? Yeah, that's a bathtub. Okay, keep going.
Bathtub. What is it? What is a foop?
The foop. Act like you don't know what it's the foop.
Like where it bends up a little at the end?
Yeah. What kind of kickstand do you think this is gonna be? I mean, so the whoop needs to go like here-ish. I'm just trying to remember what a kickstand looks like. That's looking like a kickstand.
Pop the ECU out.
Yeah, it looks all good. It looks like we know what we're doing.
Hey, you there. Who, me? Yeah, you. You remember TheGardenSnakes Patreon page? Oh my god, no, why should I be? Yeah, you should be. Hey, remember this guy? He joined the Patreon page. Now look at him. Bam! He's so hot. Oh, because he joined. Oh my god, where do I join? No, wait. I'm gonna show you some more. This is what a non-Patreon video looks like. Look at it. It's so boring. PG rated. That's gay. Well, look at the Patreon version. All you have to do is spend $1 and you get the X-rated version today.
Still, yeah, it's like 1,000,000 degrees. But look at that. Look at that. It can't hit it. But if we are concerned, we could just put like a
Put a little tit there.
little tip there. Good. We just need to add a springy to it now.
We need to get the springy thing. I'm really good with words, so we need to get the springy thing. We get the measuring stick. We need to do some swag method on how far we move the springy thing anchor point. And then it's just gonna go whoop, and it's gonna stay there. We may put a little tit on there to keep it down a little bit. And then we'll go to bed because it'll be 2 in the morning.
Yeah, I've taken a picture, which I'll show on screen now, of where the spring used to be sitting. What we're trying to figure out
This
is
tripod's on my foot. There we go.
we're trying to figure out where we're going to put it now. So my game plan, that Chris is actually doing all the work. It's still hot.
That went well.
I know what I'm doing.
Take 2.
So yeah, like what I was saying, and he agreed with me, so that means it's not a horrible idea. I was telling him what we do is we drill a hole straight through this whole thing, shove a bolt in there, weld it on, grind it back on the other end so it doesn't have a stabby thing on the outside, and that should hold the spring just fine. It's still, God, it's still so hot.
It's gonna look like an actual
It's
kick.
gonna look like it was meant for this. It's not a bolt that we jabbed in there. God, you're a real man of genius.
Today we salute you, Mr. Kickstand Maker Guy. You're grinding a 1/4-20 bolt to hold the end of a kickstand spring. You're a real American hero.
We'll actually be adding more strength to it internally.
Oh, that's right.
It's almost like, what's that thing called when you drill through something and you weld into it? It's like a something weld, a
Plug weld.
plug weld, yeah, for extra strength and majesty.
Hope that's a 1/4 inch. I just turned this kickstand into a rain stick.
There's nothing we can ever do about it.
No, seriously, turn my bike over. It sounds like a rain stick. How long does it stick
I think
out?
it should actually stick out. You can use the this almost as a guide, because this will almost be sitting up against it. So you almost need it out, yeah, about nearly as much as you can. That'll work. I let the camera pull off. It was second up. So Chris put a dinghy there. Show him what you put there.
I put a little spacer.
Because it was under full clack. It was clacking the stand. They probably put a nick in there. Don't look too closely. Now let it do a full wrap into it. See what happens there.
No, that's you.
You got a kick up.
Oh, that's why they call it that.
Hey, we done all right. I mean you did it, Chris. Thank you.
Even
It looks.
with no grease.
I know. We'll get some grease in there. It'll kick back real good. All right.
I mean, it looks. Can't see it from my house.
Like that lick your pole thing in the movie. The lick your...
You're watching different movies.
That's the wrong movie.
He's a magic man. Where's the screen? And they told me my drawings are in a different language. They said that. How do you draw in another language?
Show me where you're drawing, because I'll tell you.
Put the wires there. The more you look at it, the more you're like, I ain't riding that thing. Monkey, you want a vape?